Popular clothing items that can be dangerous to our health. Many popular items of clothing or accessories are not as harmless as we think. If we don't pay attention to the fabrics we wear, or if we buy sunglasses on the street or opt for fashionable but not really comfortable clothes, the consequences can be really bad. A blue swimsuit. When choosing a swimsuit for a child, go for one in a bright and contrasting color, like red, yellow, etc. They stand out well against the water, in the pool, a lake, or the sea. But it's better to avoid blue swimwear for both yourself and your kids. In this swimsuit, a person in the water is almost invisible, and this is unsafe for obvious reasons. Leggings that are too tight. The constant wearing of leggings can lead to skin irritation. The fact is that leggings are usually made of dense material and are pretty tight. When moving, the fabric rubs your delicate skin. In addition, the body sweats in leggings, and the humid and warm environment is a fertile ground for bacterial growth. Therefore, it's recommended to change them frequently and wash them after each use. Some oversized clothes. It's not just tight clothing that can be unsafe. Large and heavy hoodies can sometimes cause discomfort in the neck and back. Wide sleeves can make you keep your arms in an unnatural position, which can lead to tension in the muscles of your body. When a person puts on a large hood over their head, they have to strain and stretch their neck forward in order to see. And the hood left hanging on your back can constrict your throat in an unpleasant way. Sunglasses without special markings. The main purpose of sunglasses is the protection of your eyes from hazardous ultraviolet radiation, not just the brightness of sunlight. If your glasses don't have a label that says UV 400, this accessory won't provide you with the maximum protection. Some summer hats. One of the main purposes of a hat is to protect you from the sun's rays. And baseball caps aren't really good at this because they leave the ears and neck open, which burn pretty quickly.